Good morning again, and welcome to the Backpacktrader Training Room for Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024, crude oil inventory report session. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. So, on to the charts. Looks like the report's out a little bit early, maybe, or something leaked. No, hey, okay. There's the report out. And that's definitely bottom of the reaction range. I'm going to say that something happened right in there. So I'm going to put that there. And we'll wait our 2 minutes. Still looking a minute, 20 seconds. So we're still in the short trade down here. That's a reaction trade, so I'm not going to take that one. I want to see a new setup. We got the long setup. All right, coming up to our start time. I'm ignoring this dark blue trade because that is definitely part of the initial reaction. So that's going to be an abnormally large trade. I do pick up a short on unleaded. You have crude on spotlight on the right, unleaded on the upper left, crude on counterpunch, 377 tick on the bottom left. That goes into a long trade. It's got to get up to 7106. Money management targets at 7108. We could get along at 7106 also on the spotlight crude if we get up close here. Now it's headed down again. And we stop out on the 377 tick counterpunch chart. Long trade stops out. There is a new long trade at 70.96 again. This one's a little bit bigger. One, two up bars, one more up bar, and we can get a $91. That would be at 71.01. I'll go to 71.03, get around the 200. Short trade, and that's going to stop and reverse. 84. So it hasn't reversed yet. We are still long. That's our stop and reverse right there. Okay, this would be add-on trade at 70.78. And now we get the long trade that triggers in at 70.92. And that goes to money management, so I didn't get the order in time. Target is up here. First target up 71.07. 93 is the stop. Okay, we stayed in, got money management. So I'm going to go back and see where my target is. There is target. We're still in the original long trade because we did not stop. Well, actually, we did stop and reverse there. It finally did trigger us right here. Then we stop and reverse back to long for a win. Now we're in a new long trade. Not wonderful looking, but and we stop out for a break even on that trade. So 2 ticks, 1 trade in the books. And we have a new, actually we got a break even on the short, and we're in the long with a stop and reverse at the right at the full stop out. Took the full loss on that purple long on counterpunch, 377 tick. Oh, that's right. We had a successful long. So not going to get another one until we get a new oversold reading. All right, the stop and reverse is off the table, so we're in the long. Back to our original long here. And now we have a new stop and reverse. It does trigger in, it looks like. 69. Yep, that triggered in. Limited our loss a bit there. And we have a break even long, a win on the short side, and now we have another long on the 377. I'd have to do the numbers to see where we are, positive or negative. Spotlight seems to be hanging in there, just keeping us out of trades. Just the one break-even trade so far. Break-even and a loss, small stop and reverse loss, but not as big as it was. We went from 107 to 069. 38 ticks, 76 tick loss. Less our 2 ticks in prior trades. It's down 74. money management on the 377. And a crossover filter keeping us out of the long trade here. Stopping out for break even on the 377. Now short. This could be a yellow trade going short on crude. P2 would be at 72. I'll put it in. We're definitely going to be proximity to the 50. 73. And it spiked down there, so I'm going to leave it at 72. Unleaded. Money management and target 1 trailing at 051. 18 ticks on the trailer already. Target at 78 would put us positive. Target 1 trader's got 51 and 18 is 69. So they're just 7 ticks from being break even. No, 74 it was, yeah. So they're just 5 ticks from being break even. They need to get down to 46 for break even. 43 would put them positive. That would be target 1 traders. Now target 2 traders if we need to get to full target. Either that or $37 tick trailer. So that would mean 37. No, I'm sorry, 32. We need the trailing stop get down to at least 32 or hit target 2, whichever occurs. stop out at 32 or below, or hit target. We'll get it, but either one will get us positive. Untick adjustment, keeping us out of the short at this point. And there is a long trade set up on unleaded at the trailing stop. And we get hit. Bounced through that. May have had a chance to get that in. That went right up to money management. In fact, should have had a chance to get that in. We had no chance to get into the long trade that set up on Crude. And that cancels the short trade, obviously. So the one tick adjustment actually kept us out of that one. Short trade on unleaded. Possibly time to get in that. Not a proximity that we could work with on the Crude chart. So we got 1836. So we're down 38. Target one trader's down just 5, and you just hit another target 1, which would get you positive. Target 2 traders are just money management. So you need to get down to target 2. 71 tick target 2 will definitely get us positive. And we're down only 38. So we need 19 to get even. 20 ticks on the trailer to get positive. And no, we just get the 2 ticks. So down 36 now on target 2. Target 1 traders are power quitting on unleaded. All right, long setup at 86. It got to 86, so I'm going to put the entry at 87. We did pick up a long trade unleaded. That triggers in. So we need an 18 tick trailer for even, 19 to get positive, or target 2. 92 tick target 2 this time. So if we can get target 1, all right, rather, if we can get money management at 104, and that's 53 ticks. We'll just need a little bit of a trailer on that to get positive. We got 86 again for a second time on Crude. Looks like we may have one close below the balance line already. Second close below the balance line will cancel the trade on the crude chart. And that does it. And there's the long or short trade rather. We do trigger in target 1 and target 2. And our stop at 88. So short on crude, long on unleaded, and unleaded is in some trouble. This would put us back into a hole, more of a hole on unleaded. Slow moving price action. Yeah, we're well below the reaction range now for the report. Just wait and see at the moment. Looks like sellers may be winning the battle, and we got money management. And target 1. So this will be the power of quitting trade. And unleaded stomps out. That is a 73 tick risk, 146. 182 ticks down. That's going to take a pretty solid winner to get back. Unleaded is session low. Setting a new session low. 99.5 cents. $1.99.5. Wholesale price of unleaded gasoline. If you're wondering where the $4.20 a tick comes from, the deliverable on the unleaded contract is 1,000 barrels, and a barrel is 42 gallons. So 42,000 gallons, and a tick is 1,000. So that's where the $4.20 comes from. I'm sorry, it's 1/10,000 is a tick. from 10,000 to the point. So you move the decimal 4 places on that 42,000 gallons and you get $4.20. And target 2. So that is a 2 and done session for Crude, getting positive 14 and 22, 36 ticks, plus 2 for the on the break even. Actually, let's see that one. No, that was a no trade. So that was really actually our first trade, I believe, or was this one? Yeah, this was our first trade right here. Roughly 20 seconds on that bar. So we got 2 ticks there. And we got 36 there. 38 tick total. And let's see how things are moving on lead for 5 minutes or so. And if they're not moving, then we'll call it a day. I think the 377 tick counterpunch did get the job done. I have to go back and look. Long trade. That pushed through, so that we're gonna get in sync. We'd get in sync on that one. Pushed through too fast to catch it, I believe. Since we were watching it and it went through that fast. I don't think anybody would have had a good chance to get in it. There, we're back. Now we're in it. That I don't like. It reversed right at the 20 SMA. That is not a good indication. I believe this is trade number 6. Yeah. Okay, we got a break even on trade 1. Full stop out on trade 2. No, we didn't get a full stop. We got a stop in reverse. 1, 2, 3. That was a no trade. 4, 5. Yeah, this is the final trade. That would be a stop and reverse exit. 49. Still long. Have to track it manually. We need to push up through the 20 right here if we're going to have a chance at this one. There's a new long trade. If that triggers, it cancels the stop and reverse. And the subsequent long triggers, that cancels the short. So we come back to the original entry. Still need to push through the 50. Six trade sequence maximum. So this is number 6. Full risk still on. The subsequent trade stopped out at break even. We're still in the original long trade. Our money management is target 4 on the subsequent trades. And here we go with another one of those fights in between the 20 SMA and the 50 EMA. Which way is it going to break? New stop and reverse. That's an exit. Not that'll take it out. Took it out at 58. So we should be out of it at 99.58. And that will complete the session. That, unfortunately, on unleaded was a losing session. So, questions or comments? All right, no, I don't see any questions or comments in the chat. So I'm going to call it a morning. Regular 9:30 session tomorrow, and that will wrap up this week. So we will see everybody tomorrow. Have a good afternoon, and we'll do it again. Do it tomorrow. Hey, glad you're here, Jeff. Feel free to jump in with any questions. That's what we're here for. All right. Have a good one. We, as I said, regular session tomorrow morning at 9:30. We'll see you then.